Hi, this is Toffel with Toffel's Tutorials. Tonight we're going to be going over how to defrag and optimize your files. It'll speed up your system and you will be amazed. The first thing we're going to do is go to the Start button and click it. Then we're going to scroll down to Windows. And where it says Windows Administrative Tools, we're going to click that. And then you go down 3 more, 1, 2, 3, and it says Defragment and Optimize drives. We're going to click that. And in just a second, it'll pop up. Okay, maybe 2 seconds. And there we go. Here it says Optimize drives. I have C, D, G, I, and K. Those are C and D are the computer's drives. G, I, and K are external drives. You probably don't have them, but you might. Either way, it's going to work. The current status on these, because I've been rehearsing this, all say 0 days since last run. But what we're going to do is the top one is highlight blue. We're going to go to the bottom one and hit the shift button and hold it down and click the mouse so they're all highlight and say optimize all. You can see it doing its job. So the last one will get done eventually. I'm not going to make you wait around for it. So I'm going to click stop. You would let it go all the way. Okay, so that is how you defragment and optimize your files. That will save you a lot of time, a lot of impatience, and then we can just close it. And I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it helped. If it did, but not quite, please leave a question in the comments. I would like it if you would subscribe, share, and like this file. That would be great. And I will see you tomorrow when I will have another one. Thank you.